Unable to accept invite on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can fix unable to accept invite on Discord, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if Discord says unable to accept invite, this could most likely be because they pretend certain server that you're trying to join, that particular link has actually expired. So the very least that you could do is you could try to contact the server owner and just let them know that the link has expired and ask them or request them to give you a new link so that you can join that server, because there is no way you can accept that invite using that expired link. Now, unless it is a public server, you can just try to join them from your browser, but it's not a public server, so you will not be able to join it. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.